my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. You can see from the title of this video that this is part 3 of makeup declutter, and we are moving on to lipsticks and palettes, and then there might possibly be a part 4 with skincare. I'm not sure yet. I will link all the other parts of the videos down below. I am binning stuff, keeping stuff, and putting stuff on Depop. Anything that goes on Depop, I am checking the batch numbers to make sure they are still in date, and if everything will be sanitized as it can be before sale. I'll link everything down below for you guys, but yeah, my lipsticks are here. Like, can you see these? It's like 3 little drawers. Not 3 little drawers. There's 3 of these. So, and they are rammed. So we're just gonna go in and get going. Drawer number 1. Okay. That's just a Rimmel lipstick that I do not wear. It's a Kate Moss one, I think. Don't wear it. It's being binned. Got my bin stuff here. That isn't a lipstick, that's a Benefit Balm, and that is melted bin. This is so like therapeutic. This is the Frog Prince lipstick. This has just been swatched. I've like literally used it once, so that is going on Depop. What are you? Espionage Kiss of Death Sugar Serum. It smells nice. I'll keep that. What are you? Shea Amura Yasbuki in Noble Pink. I don't even know where that has come from, but that's literally just been swatched. So that is going on Depop. Makeup Revolution Unicorn Lipstick. This is going to go... Actually, I might keep this because the kids like playing with that one. I'll keep that one. An Incredible Jelly Shot lip balm. I really like that. It's got the flower in it. That's really pretty. I am going to go through these pretty quickly, otherwise these videos are just ridiculously long. Cosmic Kiss Holographic. This is a Primark lipstick. Again, this is one I keep for the girls. It's like a blue unicorn that they like. That's Vaseline. Primark lipstick. Don't like that at all. That's going in the bin. That's like a really pinky, peachy pink, and I just really dislike it. It's very drying. Another Mermaid lipstick for the kids. This is... Are you Trifle Cosmetics? Lip Parfait Trifle Cosmetics that I've swatched, and it is in the colour... I don't know, can't see the colour. Pretty, but I've got millions like this, so it's going to go on Depop. Really cute packaging with a little pug on it. So cute! That's on the floor, I'm not getting it now. This is a Bonnie XO Cosmetics lipstick in the colour Mocha. I've used this a couple of times and swatched it, so that'll be going on Depop. They all smell of vanilla. This is a Sexy Mother Pucker matte lip. I really like this. I'm keeping it. It's a really nice bright colour. LA Girl black lipstick. We all need a black lipstick, that can stay. Got some liquid lipsticks. This is Elf and it's Tea Rose, which is one of my favourite colours. And this is just the like lip pen version. I like that. I'll keep that. This is a Revlon matte balm. Again, it's another bright one for summer. I really like it. I'm keeping it. This is a Steve Lavrant. I think it's Steve Laurent, but it says Lavrant on it. I don't use this. This is going to go on Depop. It's an eggplant. I've got a sleek crayon that is pretty, but I've got lots like it. I'm going to put this in the bin. A Lord and Berry. Again, I've got very similar colours to this. Don't use it. In the bin. I've got a Milani. Is this Milani? Really pretty lipstick. I quite like that. I'm going to keep that one. Colourpop. Again, that's only been used a couple of times. That's going to go on Depop. Makeup Revolution Lip Amplification. This is just like a liquid lipstick. I'm going to bin this because it's quite old. I've got a Smashbox. This is a gloss and it is very red, very pretty. So I'm going to keep that. Look at that, it's really metallic. Another Makeup Revolution one that is a metallic gloss in the bin. More Makeup Revolution that I just don't use, nude colours. I do like nude colours, but I just don't use these ones. These ones I will put on Depop because they're like gloss lipsticks. They're quite nice. I'll probably do them as a bundle. Metallic Gloss Flash W7. That's just a blue gloss. I'll keep that for the kids because they like stuff like that. And a Makeup Revolution. This is just a really old glossy. Getting rid of that. We're flying through them. Got a Milani lipstick, which is red. It's quite pretty. I'm going to give that to my mum, I think. I think she'll like that. I won't wear that, but she will. Sexy Mother Pucker. I love this lip gloss, but this is very old, so this is going in the bin. Got a Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Finish. Again, I don't use it. Go in the bin. An e.l.f. This is an oil, I think. This is Cherry Kiss. I think this is a lip oil. Yeah, that's going to go on Depop. I've used it. I've literally just swatched it. But don't use it. Soft matte lip cream from NYX in the colour Moscow. This is very old. That's going in the bin. That's like a really dark navy blue, but that's very old. This is my e.l.f. Tea Rose liquid lipstick, which is like one of my favourite lipsticks. I'm going to keep those. Ciate Liquid Chrome. I think that's going to go, yeah, that's going on Depop. That's not a colour for me. It's pretty, but it's not for me. It's got like a holographic-y kind of tinge to it. What are you? Contour Cosmetics. This is a liquid lipstick in the colour Juju. Again, it's a very pretty colour, but I've never used it, so I'm going to get rid. I've got two things from Lord & Berry. I will keep these because they are quite handy for Halloween makeup because they're easy to draw. Got my glitter flip. I'm keeping that from Ciate. I've got a Douce lip pencil that has literally been swatched, so that is going to go on Depop. My Depop pile is getting very full. We're one little drawers down. Next up, we're into the fancy pants. My MAC lipsticks, Vive La Glam 2 and Lady Danger, obviously keeping them. I've got Illamasqua, and I've got the Energy and Nebula. I don't reach for either of these. So these are going to go on Depop. They're really pretty, but I just don't use them. So they are going on the pop. It's going to take me like a million years to get all this stuff from Depop. I've got a Bobbi Brown lipstick that my mum got me from India, which is really pretty. I'm keeping that. That is in the colour Nude. I've got my Fenty lipstick in the colour Spanked, which I'm obviously keeping because it's Rihanna and I'm in love with Rihanna. I've got a, this is Mellow Cosmetics. This is a really pretty colour, but it is very, very old. Like, I've had this a long time. That is going to go in the bin because it's very old. I've got a, what are you? Lime Crime lipstick in the colour Varsity, which I really like. I'm going to keep that. My Model Co. Karl Lagerfeld Red, which is beautiful, so I'm going to keep that. And All Eyes Are Beauty, keeping that because I love it. Got another one of them. Got another Bonnie XO Cosmetics, and this is in the colour Rosewood. This is going to go on Depop. I just don't use these. Ben bought me these a couple of Christmases ago. Last Christmas, maybe. I don't know. I'll check when he got me these. If they're out of date, then I'll sack them off. I've got some Tom Ford. I've got Indian Rose and True Coral. Really pretty. These are the little mini ones. And then I've got Ben which is awesome. And then I think I've got Rory as well, which I just do not use ever. So this is going on Depop. It's really pretty, but it's just not a colour that suits me in the slightest. Those ones. Okay. Lacquer & Co Cloud Lips. Again, I think I've literally just swatched this, so that's going on Depop because I just don't reach for it ever, and I've just managed to jam the end on the lid, which is just what you want. It's falling everywhere. More Bonnie XO Cosmetics that I just don't use, so they're going to go on. I'll probably do these in bundles. A Primark Nude, Big, Makeup Revolution. The ones with the skulls on, I just got these for the skulls, so I'm keeping them because they're pretty. Jelly Pong Pong Lip Butter. This colour does not suit me in the slightest, so this is going to go on Depop. I've got another All Eyes of Beauty one. They're all the same colour as well. I just really like them. I've got loads and loads. I'm not going to go through all of these. I've got loads of NYX minis from the calendars that I've had the last 2 years, so I might do these as a big bundle because I literally don't use any of them ever. Okay, I've got some I Heart Makeup liquid lipsticks. These are the ones, the chocolate ones, Lip Lavas. These are going to go in the bin because they are super old. I've got a Model Co gloss that I really like. I've got 2 Stila lipsticks which are really pretty. I'll keep those. Wet n Wild. This is Coral Corruption. Really love that. I've got a Tarte lip paint which I got as part of my set for Christmas, and I just don't use it, so that's going to go on Depop. And then I've got Phase Zero. Again, I just don't reach for these, so I might do these as a bundle, like all the Phase Zero lipsticks in one fell swoop. I just don't reach for them. I've got my NYX lipsticks. I'll be keeping all of these because I love them. I've got Stone Fox, what are you? Sway, Orange County, and Boiled Again. I love all of these ones, which is why I have them in full size. I've got a soft matte lip cream in the colour Can, which is just very dried out and old, so that is going in the bin. Got some more liquid catsuits. These are gorgeous, keeping them. I've got another liquid catsuit metallic lipstick. It's blue, it's beautiful, keeping that. 2 Jeffree Stars, Unicorn Blood and Scorpio, keeping them. Scorpio is just amazing. And then I've got another Tarte lip paint in the colour Grand, which again is going to go on Depop because I don't even think I've swatched that. And we're down to the last drawer. We've got some Trading Mecca lipsticks. These are really nice, so I'll keep those. More Phase Zero, which will go in. My L'Oreal lip paints that I love, all of them. I've got Dead Lips, Wuthering Purple, Coral, and I've got Hollywood Beige somewhere. Fenty. Huda is going to go on Depop. I just don't use it. And then I've got more Fenty. So that was my lipsticks. Whew, I'm going to go and wash my hand. Hey guys, it is like 4 hours since I filmed the last section of this video. I had to do school runs and my camera battery died and I got soggy hair, so we're just going to try and move on. I was going to do palettes on this video, but I feel like they're going to take too long, so I'm going to call it a day for part 3, which was lipsticks. And yeah, we're going to come back and do part 4, which will be palettes and skincare, and that will be the 4 parts of the decluttering. I have already started listing stuff on Depop. Quite some things have already sold. It's literally only been like 5 or 6 hours since I started filming these videos, but I've been putting things on. I'll link my Depop down below. But yeah, next time we will be doing palettes and skincare. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.